Did you know that over 60% of CVT transmissions fail before reaching 150,000 miles in the US? That's exactly why CVTs have built a reputation for being unreliable and expensive to maintain. But here is the shocking part. While drivers in many countries struggle with early failures, in Japan, where CVTs are used in nearly 80% of vehicles, it's not uncommon for them to last 300,000, even 400,000 miles without major issues. So what's really going on here? Are Japanese cars built differently? Or are Japanese drivers simply doing something smarter? The answer might completely change the way you treat your car. Because in this video, we are uncovering the 9 Japanese secrets that can push your CVT far beyond its expected lifespan, possibly even to 500,000 miles. So, let's explore these secrets. Secret number 9, the 20,000 to 30,000 mile fluid discipline. One of the biggest reasons CVTs fail early is because drivers blindly follow the lifetime fluid myth, which is heavily promoted in markets like the US. In reality, Japanese mechanics treat CVT fluid as a high-wear critical component, not something you ignore for 60,000 miles or more. CVT fluid doesn't just lubricate, it controls pressure, cooling, and even gear ratio behavior. Over time, it breaks down from heat and friction, especially in stop-and-go driving. In Japan, many technicians recommend changing CVT fluid every 20,000 to 30,000 miles, sometimes even sooner in hot climates or city driving conditions. This frequent service removes microscopic metal shavings that would otherwise circulate and damage the valve body and pulleys. It also restores proper hydraulic pressure, which is essential for smooth ratio changes. If you want 500,000 miles, fluid discipline is non-negotiable. Secret number 8, the gentle start rule. Japanese drivers are extremely disciplined when it comes to acceleration, and this plays a huge role in CVT longevity. Unlike traditional transmissions, a CVT uses a steel belt and pulley system, which is highly sensitive to sudden torque spikes. When you floor the accelerator from a complete stop, you create instant stress on that belt, leading to micro-slippage and long-term wear. Japanese mechanics call this the silent killer of CVTs. Instead, they follow a gradual acceleration method, allowing the transmission to smoothly adjust ratios without shock. Over thousands of miles, this simple habit drastically reduces internal wear. Think of it this way. Every aggressive launch is shaving off life from your CVT. But smooth starts? They quietly build toward that 500,000-mile goal. Secret number 4, the early warning detection mindset. In the US, many drivers only address transmission issues after a warning light appears. But by that point, repair costs often exceed $2,000 or more. Japanese maintenance philosophy is completely different. It focuses on identifying and fixing issues early, often when they're still minor and inexpensive. Subtle symptoms like slight RPM fluctuations or delayed throttle response are treated as early warning signs. Addressing these symptoms early, sometimes with just a fluid change or recalibration, can prevent catastrophic internal damage. Data from long-term vehicle studies shows that early intervention can reduce major transmission failures by a significant margin. Your CVT is constantly communicating with you. You just have to pay attention. Ignoring small signs is what turns minor issues into major repairs. Secret number 3, using only genuine CVT fluid. This is one of the most critical yet overlooked factors. CVTs are extremely sensitive to fluid type, and using the wrong fluid can completely destroy the transmission. Japanese manufacturers design highly specific CVT fluids with precise friction properties and heat resistance. Universal fluids or cheap alternatives may seem like a cost-saving option, but they often lack the exact chemical composition required for your transmission. This leads to slipping, overheating, and accelerated wear. Japanese mechanics strictly use OEM-approved fluids, no compromises. If your goal is 500,000 miles, this is not the place to cut corners. The wrong fluid can undo years of good maintenance in a matter of months. Secret number 2, the throttle modulation technique. One of the lesser-known secrets in Japan is not just how hard you accelerate, but how consistently you apply throttle. Studies on transmission wear patterns show that frequent throttle fluctuations can increase internal pressure instability by up to 25% in CVTs. This creates uneven clamping force on the belt and pulleys, leading to micro-slippage that slowly wears down critical components. Japanese drivers are trained to maintain steady throttle input, especially in city driving, and also avoid constant speed changes unless necessary. This keeps the transmission operating in a stable pressure range, reducing stress on internal components. Over time, smoother throttle behavior leads to more predictable ratio changes and less wear accumulation. This simple habit alone can add tens of thousands of miles to transmission life without any cost. Secret number 1, the load management rule. Every extra kilogram your car carries puts additional strain on the CVT, especially during acceleration and hill climbing. In Japan, drivers are extremely mindful of unnecessary weight, avoiding overloaded trunks and minimizing roof loads. This is not just about fuel economy, it directly impacts transmission longevity. Heavier loads require higher clamping force in the CVT, which increases friction and heat generation. By keeping your vehicle light, you are reducing the workload on your transmission every time you drive. It's a simple but powerful method that contributes significantly to long-term reliability. The bottom line is, CVT transmissions are not designed to fail early. They are designed to last, but only if you treat them the right way. See you in the next video.